Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope everything is so okay with you. Today I'm going to teach you an important lesson, so please focus with me. The lesson entitled How can you say what's your name in Arabic? Firstly, you must select you are talking to what. If you are talking to man or male, you will say ما اسمك. What in Arabic equal me. Repeat after me, please. What in Arabic equal me. ما اسمك. ما اسمك. If you are talking to female or girl, you will say ما اسمك. ما اسمك. If you are asking me what's your name, ما اسمك, I will reply to you my name is Dina. اسمي Dina. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.